As I told you, I'm the CEO and founder of the Danish Food Bank. We are part of distributing surplus food. We collect it from the food industry and give them a security to distribute this food instead of throwing it out. The fruit, where's the fruit? It's done. Okay, great, fantastic. The fruit is from fruit.dk. It is second-handed food. Our biggest challenge is to find the fundings for this. Of course, food companies give us millions of krona of food every single year. We still need to find the business model or the financial model on how this should work. We feed people that is in need. 450,000 kilos, the 3 vans, 42 organizations, 1 million meals. But the food industry has saved 1,890 tons of CO2, and they saved a lot of money. My advice would be do your research, and more research, and more research. Look into other business models, think out of the box, try to angle it and see it from the customer's side of, the investor's side of. What kind of question will they give you? What kind of issues do they have? For example, with the food industry, we know that the worst thing can happen is that they give us food in trust. That we either sell it to make a profit, or that somebody else will be sick of the food they give. And that's the worst case. They will end on the front page of the papers and everything is ruined. The best thing about a food bank is that I'm able to do a difference every single day. And it's the coolest job in the world.
My name is Louise Møller-Madsen and I'm working in Care Denmark and I'm mainly responsible for all our partnerships with business. There's a huge potential in these partnerships. There really is, and I believe in it. I've seen it work, but I've definitely also seen the challenges, and both in the partnership, but of course also local, where we implement the programs together. In Care Denmark, we just launched a huge partnership with FDB, Coop, and what Care is mainly doing is that we are helping Coop's 2 producers of food in Kenya, and we help them to strengthen their supply chain. Then we have another partnership. It's just to show you the differences in the partnerships. This is what we call a cross-related marketing campaign. It's a design with Årstiderne, you know, the food company who makes these boxes. And we designed together this what we call Afrikassen. And it's a box full of products or food from Uganda. And then, of course, every time Årstiderne sells one of these boxes, amount of the money or the sale is going to Care Denmark's work in Africa and Asia. I was asked to tell you about what are the challenges. And I would say in the past, the challenges between NGOs and businesses was that we didn't talk. We didn't talk at all. And the main reason we think in Care is that we have different languages and different cultures. And what have we learned from that in the NGO world? We have definitely learned that we have a lot in common. We have often the same visions, the same hope for the future of this world. We want to secure the access to water, we want to secure the access to food, but often we have different goals. But to reach these goals, we don't have to speak the same language. It takes a lot of courage and commitment for both parts. That's also important to say. It's not enough that it's only business who wants to learn the NGO's language. It's also the NGOs who needs to learn your language. And we are willing and very open-minded, but it takes time. It definitely does.